Hi, this is Larry Kearney. Welcome to my SnappyRanker AI review. Now, this is a new software that's going to help you rank your pages on the first pages of Google and YouTube. It even has the keyword analysis aspect, so it tells you which word to rank for, what is your competition level, and it will help you. And also, it has AI integrated, so it will actually write your video scripts, your articles, your blog content, and as I said before, it will make it SEO friendly, um, SEO optimization, and also it will analyze the top positions, how difficult it is getting top positions on YouTube and on Google. So you have keyword ability, you have SEO, competition analysis, enhances your credibility, um, and follow step-by-step progress to achieve your business goals. So this is all about ranking on the first pages of Google and Yahoo with your any web page, any video. And if you click the link below, you will see a full demo, step-by-step demo of how this works. So this is the first time it's been available online. It comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So check it out. Click the link below so you can actually, look at the demo so you can see if this is for you. But if you want to rank on the first page of Google, this is one of the best programs out there today in order to get to achieve that point. This is Larry Kearney. I'd like to thank you for watching my video, and click the link below so you can watch the full demo of how this works. Okay, I'll see everyone in the next video.